Hi, I'm Debra from Cosmetics for Confidence. Today I want to talk to you about how and why our lips age, what we can do to slow down that aging process, and about a new revolutionary lipstick that can transform those lips in just 7 days. Okay, so what are those telltale signs? Well, our lips will become dry, they'll become thinner and less plump. The shape of our lips changes as well. You'll see that the definition isn't there. You haven't quite got the Cupid's bow that you had before, and your lips will start to turn down. You'll notice that I don't want that frown, so I'm regularly smiling to try and avoid that. We'll see that as the lips dry, you get those vertical lines going down the lips, which is not great. And the skin around our lips as well, as it ages, we'll see we get more lines, which again makes the whole appearance look older. And we can even get those little bits of hairs along the top line. Getting older is just absolutely fab, isn't it? So what's happening then for our lips to age? Yeah, we're all going to get there at some stage, but genetic factors certainly can play a part. But there are some things that we can do ourselves, environmental things that we can do that can make a difference. So first of all, right up there, no surprise at all, is sun protection and hydration. Now, sun protection we know is so important for our skin generally. We talk regularly about that, but you know, the lips have got the most sensitive part of our skin. They're the thinnest part of the skin on our face, so they need to be protected even more. And if we don't do that, we're going to find that we lose even more collagen, and the collagen is what's there to support and give that plumpness to our lips and also the skin around the face as well. We'll regularly hear people talk about the importance of not smoking, don't sucking through a straw, because you're going to increase the sort of wrinkles that you can get around your mouth from doing that. But hydration is also right up there, because if we don't have enough moisture in our lips, of course they're going to look dry. And protecting that skin barrier is so important. We'll often sort of hear about how much you drink a day, such as like 8 glasses of water. For most of us, we do wait until we're thirsty sometimes to take a drink, but we need to make sure we're adding enough fluid to give our lips the chance of having enough moisture. But it's not just hot days when you're out in the sun. We need to also be mindful really of all year round, because when you're out and about and it's cold and it's windy, that can also really dry out your lips. You'll feel that your lips start to get chapped. Well, when you do that, what do we tend to do? Lick our lips, and that extra saliva, that moisture on the lips, all that's going to do is evaporate and bring with it extra moisture as well. So it's actually making the situation even worse. I mean, I've certainly found things such as like air conditioning can dry out my lips, and I find that with my eyes as well. But even just sort of breathing continually through your mouth rather than through your nose, that is the excess air circulating there. Certain medications, they can dry your lips out and cause peeling of your lips. So there's lots of things that can play a part. Your diet as well. We know how important it is to eat healthily, making sure that you've got a diet that's rich in protein, so that's your sort of chicken, your fish, your beans, that is rich in vitamin C, so your citrus fruits. It's all really important for your body to be able to produce that strong collagen, which we keep saying is the key to plumping up and supporting all the skin. Okay, so obviously taking on board some of those things can help, but there's also various things we can apply to our lips, such as like a lip oil, might work better than a lip balm for moisturising your lips. There's a variety of lipsticks and lip glosses aimed at plumping up the lips, but up until now all they've really done is treat the symptoms of dry lips. So as soon as that product's been removed, the lips will go back to their previous dry aged state. I'm just so excited because Avon have just launched the first ever product that doesn't just deal with the symptom but actually tackles the cause, and it can literally transform your lips in just 7 days. It's called Avon Revival Serum Lipstick. It comes in 15 shades. I'm wearing Essential Mocha. And in addition to the 15 coloured shades, it also has a clear translucent one, which is perfect if you're wanting to work on your lips overnight or you just don't want a pop of colour that day. Now, this particular lipstick took 8 years in the making. Why so long? Well, the challenge was how to stabilise glycerin with alpha hydroxy acids in a lipstick. Okay, so let's talk a bit more about how this anti-aging lip product works. Well, first of all, it includes glycerin. Now, glycerin is the wonder molecule. Glycerin is amazing for attracting moisture into our skin and is used in so many skincare products. But glycerin goes further. It actually incorporates itself into the skin barrier and actually strengthens it. Now, we said earlier that our lips have got the thinnest skin. They're getting thinner all the time. So strengthening that skin barrier is absolutely essential to keep our lips hydrated and full, and that's exactly what this does. It's here where that transformational benefit we've never seen before is happening. Okay, so the second ingredient is alpha hydroxy acid. Now, this ingredient has been used by Avon since 1992, and in fact, they were the first company to bring it to market. Now, alpha hydroxy acid, or AHA as you'll often see it written, works to exfoliate the top layer of the skin. It works to smooth it out. So what that means is that the lipstick lies flatter, but the light reflects much more evenly as well, which is so important. Okay, so if we've been using these products for so long, why on earth has it taken so long to put them together into a lipstick? Well, it's because glycerin and alpha hydroxy acid are water-based technologies, and when you mix them with oil, and a lipstick's an oil-based product, they don't mix well. We know that with a salad dressing, oil and water don't mix, so we use emulsifiers. But although emulsifiers were incorporated into the lipstick, they didn't make it stable. And so what happened was that the water-based particles started to rise and bring with it the colour pigments, which didn't give a great colour experience at all. Well, finally, Avon have cracked it. They found a way to stabilise it and patented that technology. So what you'll see here is that the skin barrier has been strengthened. So the lips are retaining their moisture. They're therefore fuller, plumper, the lines are minimised, and the alpha hydroxy acid is smoothing out that top layer so the light reflects more evenly. And of course, when you add the lipstick, it's going to look even better. And what is so amazing that you start to see this change within 7 days of using it, and the longer you use it, the better those lips are going to look and feel. Avon Revival Serum Lipstick comes in 15 shades. As I said, I've got Essential Mocha on. You've got the clear lip treatment, so if you don't want a pop of colour or you want to really restore those lips overnight, then you've got that option as well. Take a look at the shades, let us know what you think. You can get really tiny little samples, really inexpensive as well. They're absolutely fantastic for trying some different colours out, or for just a different, one for your handbag when you're out and about if you want that. So they're all amazing. And please do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and just let me know how you're getting on. Bye for now.